Letter from French Actors, December 24th, 1789. Having heard that in some of the opinions pronounced in the National Assembly, doubts about the legitimacy of their status have been raised, they beg you, my Lord, to instruct them whether the Assembly has decreed something on this subject, and whether it has been declared their status incompatible with administration to posts and participation in the rights of citizenship. Honest men can stand up to a prejudice that the law disavows, but no one can defy a decree or even the silence of the National Assembly on their status. The French actors, whose homage and patriotic gift you have denied to accept, reiterate to you, my Lord, and the august Assembly, the most formal wish to never employ their talents except in a manner worthy of French citizens, and they would count themselves fortunate if the legislation reforming the abuses that might have slipped into the theater would deny to seize upon an instrument of influence on morals and on public opinion.